So how do we know now that this bridge works? Right after connecting it, it might not work, but to verify whether it's even properly connected, whether the CanBus lines are correctly connected. Look, the ignition, click the gear lever, I press stop, it's locked. We don't have the current PRND position displayed on the dashboard because the original OM611 ECU was a CanBus gateway which transferred data between the lines. Right now it's not there. Now I'll connect my CAN bridge. Ignition. We already have the PRND position displayed, the gear lever lock has been released and it works. PRND, you see, changes. This is how it looks in practice. This is a quick way to verify whether the bridge is working or not. You can also hear the fuel pump, which is activated via CanBus, so all of this can be very easily verified.